Hi guys, I'm Tony Alden, and today in this video we're going to see two ways to do string replacement with visual feedback. One which is built-in in Emacs, and the other that use the package visual-regresp.l. So to give you the thing that we're going to do is that we're going to match here only the string with that start with foo dash and an even number there, this one, not the odd number, and not those ones that start with a x after the dash. So, and with the match, we are going to add this string even, and this is what we are going to do. We can do it directly with query replace regular expression with JESP, but we don't have visual feedback. So the theme of this video, and I want to thank Pinsel and Abin Simon for kind of proposing this video. They don't know that they proposed the video, but with their comment, I thought that I could make a video. So here Pinsel was talking about live preview of the list expression. I thought regular expression. So this is the theme of this video theme. And here, Abin Simon in the video that we did before that was doing the same kind of replacement of with even number proposed something that don't use the Lisp expression in the replacement string, but only regular expression. So thank you guys, and let's go. So this video, in some way, we solve that problem with multiple cursor and the command add cursor and click in another video that was, I think, about occur mode. And as I just said before in the previous video, we did it here with a string replacement that use the capability of evaluating any Lisp expression, Emacs Lisp expression, when we start the string replacement with / quote. So, but this is not the theme of this video. And let's directly jump on the first way of doing it with visual feedback. So instead of starting with query replace regresp, we can start with iSearch, and iSearch has visual feedback for the matches, so we can benefit from this visual feedback and switch to the query replace regular expression regresp by calling iSearch query replace regular expression, and then we can add our replacement string. So let's do this first solution. So we call iSearch for regular expression. We start to match foo dash. We don't want the x, so we start our first sub expression, which will match any number. So here we match any number, and now at the end of the number, as we just want to match the even number, we're going to select only 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. We close the bracket, we close the parentheses for the sub-expression, and here are our match. So we are in iSearch. Now we switch to query regular expression by doing console meta percentage, but where you are not going to see it with KeyCast, but anyway, so we switch, and now we can use our we can write our replacement switch. So foo, we keep it. Now we add even, and the first submatch \1 and the second submatch \2, which the both concatenated match the number. We press return, and now we are going to do the replacement with space, or if we want to do it directly for all the matches in the buffer, we can use exclamation. So we do exclamation and we get this. So this is the first way. This is built in. It works perfectly. One thing we don't have on the package visual-regresp.l provide is also a feedback with a feedback of the replacement string. So let's use var/query replace, and we do the same, but now with visual replacement for the matches and the replacement. Let's go. So this is the second solution of this video, the second way. We start and we start matching. Foo dash, we open a parenthesis, we want to match only numbers, we close, first submatch in one color, we want only the even number, we have them, another color for the second submatch. Now we press return and we can start writing our replacement string and pay attention on the buffer, because we are going to have the live preview. So now we can choose another thing. We can write bar, but this is not what we want to have as a replacement. So we want to have foo, and the same thing we want even. And now backslash to have the first, backslash 1 to have the first sub-expression, and backslash 2 to have the second expression. We press return to do the replacement, and now we can press in the same way as with query replace regular expression, regresp, space if we want to do it step by step, or we can also use exclamation to do it in all the buffer. And this is what we get. So I hope you enjoy this video. Maybe this is something that you can benefit from if you need visual feedback. You have we have a built-in way of doing it, but if you prefer to also have the replacement string visual feedback, visual-regresp.l is your package to do it. So I hope you enjoy the video, and see you next time.